Alright, yeah. Hold up. Optics.
Oh, okay, you're making your loadout.
Yeah.
My loadout's stacked. Just to say that.
Yeah.
Oh, and I think if you level up, you can get one more point to build your attachments. You can just be heavied up with attachments.
Yep.
I mean, I think I still don't understand this game. By the leveling up system, the only thing I know is just shoot everyone. Just like now.
Yeah.
Oh,
There, 1911.
A guy shot me with a sniper in my chest.
Damn.
Now, where are you going?
I'm just now coming in.
But what objectives? Charlie, Bravo.
I might head towards Alpha.
Alpha.
I got a shotgun blower.
You got a shotgun?
Yeah, I got a shotgun attachment.
Oh, attachment.
Yeah, I'm heading towards Beta. I'm literally right next to hers. Yeah, Charlie. Oh, that fucking scared the shit out of me.
Alright, Bravo is getting taken, and a guy... I think that guy is dead.
Heading towards Charlie.
Also, I'm heading towards Bravo right now. Oh yeah, I can see you. You're the green.
Yep.
Okay, we got Bravo.
Literally, this game.
Yeah, it's way too realistic.
Yeah.
I hear gunshots. Bravo.
Yeah, I died.
Reloading.
I'm Bravo.
Yeah. Oh shit. What did that guy said?
I don't
Okay, let's
no,
no, Oh shit!
Oh,
He's in the corner. He's in the corner. Okay, he's going. He's in the corner straight to you, in front of you.
Yep, I already got him. Tagged him. Fucking grenade. Second floor.
Okay. Bravo, right?
Yep.
Alpha, got this. We got it.
I'm gonna throw a random grenade on
Second
Charlie.
floor.
I'm gonna throw a grenade on Charlie.
Right.
Second floor, alright.
On the second floor.
Oh shit,
Shit, I mean, yeah.
Shield.
Fine.
Oh man.
Watch out! I need a grenade.
Hello.
You wanna attack Charlie?
Yeah, let's go Charlie. Don't rush it in all the way. At least like scout it out.
Alright.
Is that thermite? Careful. Could be a boom.
Yeah. Okay,
Second floor.
It's in there.
Down.
Holy shit, it got decimated.
Okay, we're taking Charlie now.
Okay, you first, then Charlie. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, that's thermite.
How many
Don't go in.
mags?
Don't go in.
Yeah. How many mags do you have?
About 3.
Alright.
I got hit with a concussion, I believe. Don't rush in.
Just a second.
I'm going down.
Okay, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go to the balcony. Just check.
I got
What
shot.
happened?
Right in the fucking build. I got killed.
Where?
I got second floored.
Second floor. All right. Don't know where they are.
I'm going to Alpha.
All right. They shot me in the head.
Fuck.
He is so blended in it with the dark.
Hey, they're taking Charlie. Taking Alpha.
I'm gonna take Bravo, then I'm gonna go straight to Charlie.
Yeah, I'm at Bravo.
Bravo. Good.
And now I'm gonna go straight to Charlie. Okay, they're shooting. There we go. I don't know if Bravo is getting sick. They
I'm
took
heading
Charlie,
towards. Yeah, I'm heading towards Charlie right now.
Alright, stalemate. That guy in the corner. Still a stalemate. Reloading. I have 2 mags left. Shit! Ah, sniper in my face.
Fucking Christ.
I got hit with a 50 caliber sniper.
I see some motherfuckers taking up Alpha.
I have to believe that on YouTube.
Mother.
And Mario if it was a girl.
Yeah. I'm going up for Alpha. Second floor, or first? First or second?
I cannot say word.
First level.
Everyone is fine. Oh, shit.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, I'm gonna. I shouldn't have reloaded. Okay, I have 45 rounds left.
Holy!
I got shot. SVD, that's a sniper.
I fucking missed entirely. I knew where the sniper was.
Okay, I'm just gonna go throw a grenade and. Where are you? Okay,
I'm
go
pushing
with
up.
me. Go in front.
I'm with you.
Go in front. Go in front. Go in front. I have the grenade ready. Wait. Okay, yes, I have to just get the M4. Okay, go up. Go up. Okay, search run. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, sniper.
Blew my fucking brains out. That's a Barrett. He has a gun. He has a Barrett. Careful. That looks like a Barrett.
I think I didn't kill him. Oh shit, headshot.
Oh,
No,
I see your
that's
corpse.
not a headshot. I got he shot the glass and then the glass shards just got my arm.
I swear to God. This game is way too realistic.
Yeah, it's fun. I just got shot in the face of the sniper.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna
Bravo.
get the Uzi. Yeah, I'm gonna get the Uzi and pushing Bravo already. Flash grenade ready.
Toss and frag. Second floor. Okay, be careful.
Yeah. Okay, wait, second floor.
Oh. I think they were second floor. I know that for a fact.
Yeah, second floor. Stairs.
Oh shit.
Got killed.
Okay, we're good.
Yeah, I'm just testing the Uzi. The guy who's taking the.
Fucking M4 for the win, my brother. Use the shit here now.
Yeah, that guy. Oh man.
Red Charlie. They toss smoke.
Right.
Oh shit, near the car!
Why did he shoot at me? I mean, I had done that, so. Where are you right now?
Beelining it towards Charlie. I mean Alpha. Got a guy.
Alpha, alright.
I'm at Alpha first floor.
They just shot me. Okay, wait, I have to get the, light. The Uzi, there we go. Recoil grip. Increase speed reloading. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna go beeline it on Bravo. I have the Uzi ready. They're shooting you, Duma.
Yeah.
There's snipers all around.
You can actually hear the exaggeration in their voice. Oh my fucking god! Okay, don't. In front of Alpha. In front of Alpha, there's a sniper. Sniping from sniping from Beta. Not yeah, B.
Yeah, I think I got the sniper. Oh no, he has the anti-badger. Don't worry.
I see.
Shit, where is he?
Literally all across
I
the fucking map. Literally across the
Yeah.
map.
Alright,
I'm at bit of bal. Okay, tell me that I blended. Do I blend it?
oh shit,
down!
oh shit, get down. There we go, he's killed, he got killed.
Okay, do I blend in?
Yeah, you blended.
Okay, that's good. That's what I was looking for.
I mean, if it's more sandy, then you would blend in.
Yeah.
Like 100%, but you still blend in.
Camouflage is usually the best for this environment.
Yeah, that's true. I'm gonna go with you right now.
Yep. They're attacking Bea. Bravo.
Imagine you can make maps and oh shit.
Fucker got an AK.
Okay, where is the sniper? Oh yeah, he's blended. Oh, he got killed. Imagine
Fucker
you can
running
make...
across the street.
Oh shit.
Alpha.
Imagine you can make maps here and then you fight at Walmart and sure you sandstorm.
Yeah. I see a dude looking at Beta. Oh.
Alright,
There we go.
right, second floor.
Bravo. Why do I keep
Okay,
calling it
victory.
Beta?
Caralho, João falou pra caralho, matou 4 o jogo todo, filha da puta.
I think they're speaking Russian.
Russian or
I don't
just
know.
how many kills did I got? 11 kills, 15 deaths. Yay.